Actress Anushka Sharma, who is linked to cricketer Virat Kohli, was spotted watching an ISL match with the cricketer in Goa this Diwali. The duo was seen watching a match between Delhi Dynamos and FC Goa at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Fatroda of Goa. It seems that the duo don't feel shy to be clicked together. Must say the two are looking very nice together. Virat is also the co-owner of Goa-based ISL franchise FC Goa. On professional front, Anushka will be next seen in Imtiaz Ali's directorial The Ring opposite Shah Rukh Khan.